Hey, we're under a house in West Knoxville, and just for your homeowners, for some tips, what you need to look for. You know, when you're in your crawl space and you see water lines in your brick, your block, and somebody says, well, I don't have a water issue, and you see a water line that's consistent, level all across, water doesn't ever lie. Okay, that is your issue. All right, so you'll most likely need some pump to get rid of that, or some type of drainage system. The other thing we look for, your heat and air ducts. If they're sweaty, and water coming off the heat and air ducts, like right here, there's a bunch of water coming off that heat and air duct. It's one reason why we're in this house. This is here. This is water dripping. Okay. Just putting this plastic down will actually make a huge difference on that. And once we shut the vents off, the humidity level in this crawl space immediately changes as soon as this plastic gets put down in one stage. The second stage is after they tape everything and if the wall's up, moisture is just about gone. And then we seal the vents off, and the dehumidifier it's taken care of. When I'm in the crawl space with my salespeople right here, we can't see everything. I was a home inspector for 10 years, and those home inspectors miss a lot of stuff. Okay? They don't really get your paint on place. Some are good. However, on this house here, this joist is totally broken. Okay, the split starts right here. Okay, it comes down, but you go in here and look. Right here, you see it's literally split, an 1.5 inch split right there. Okay, what does that mean? Well, what that means is that's a pretty major issue, especially when you have your tile upstairs, your kitchen. If it's a kitchen up here area, you don't want this stuff in your kitchen. You have too much flex in the floor. It's not allow you to have some broken tile, cracked tile, this kind of thing. So if you have cracked tile in your kitchen, have somebody, we're free. Have us come out, we'll look at your crawl space, make sure it's not an issue with crawl space, because most of the time you get flex in the floor of some sort, whether it's from a cracked joist, too far expansion, too far, the joint floor goes too far apart, the floor goes 2x10s or 2x6s. There's lots and lots of ways and reasons why your floor is failing. So give us a call here at InstaDri.com. We'll be happy to come out and check out your house. Like I say, it's free. When you spend on paying a home inspector to come out and do it, and you can have somebody come out that knows what they're doing and specializes in this kind of stuff. So why not do it if it don't cost you anything, right? It's just education. I know a lot of people don't want to know what's going on in their house because it causes them stress and they have to fix it. But when you're trying to sell it, you got to fix it anyway, so you might as well enjoy it while you got it. Plus, you're sinking a bunch of money in your house in a remodel. Make sure the foundation's good. If you got a good foundation, right? So give us a call if you like this. Share it, please. If you need anything, give us a call at InstaDri.com. Thank you.